Hello friends, now we are in the Mubuga location. Okay, here is the only solar plant of Burundi, which is 7.5 megawatt. You can see the details of that solar plant on this board, financed by 3 different agencies. Okay, as you can see, the solar plant is installed on the top of the mountain. We are installing the solar plant where we can get the maximum solar light in a day. For the conversion of solar energy into electricity, we are using solar panel. There are different type of solar panels. Basically, solar panels are made up of photovoltaic cells which convert heat energy into electric energy. This solar plant is the only solar plant in Burundi. It produces 7.5 megawatt of electricity. Now you can see the full size of solar plant of Mubuga from the different location and different angle.